In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fork a repository in Bitbucket. Forking creates your own copy of a repository so you can experiment, make changes, and later propose them back without touching the original codebase. It's perfect for contributing to shared projects or trying out ideas safely. Start by heading to bitbucket.org and signing in with your Atlassian account. On the login screen, choose the Google option if your organization uses Google Single Sign-On. When the Google account chooser appears, select the account you use for Bitbucket. After you're authenticated, you'll land inside Bitbucket. From here, look to the left-hand navigation and open repositories. This view lists the repositories you can access within your current workspace. If your team uses multiple workspaces, just make sure you're in the right one so you can see the repository you want to fork. Find and open the repository you want to copy. Once you're on its overview page, look for the three dots menu, often in the top right area of the page. That's the More Actions menu. Click it and choose Fork this repository. This is the action that tells Bitbucket to create a new repository based on the original, including its commit history and branches. You'll be taken to a forking setup screen. First, select the destination project. In Bitbucket, a project is a container that helps organize repositories within a workspace, and it also influences access and permissions. Pick the project where you want your fork to live, typically your personal or team project that will host your copy. Next, provide a name for the fork. You can keep the original name for clarity, or add a suffix like fork to make it obvious that this is your copy. Choose something your team will instantly recognize. Good naming helps when you later open pull requests back to the source repository. When everything looks right, click Fork Repository. Bitbucket will create your fork and redirect you to it when the process completes. You'll know you're in your copy because the repository path at the top will reference your workspace or project. From here, you can clone the fork to your machine, push branches, and work freely without affecting the original repository. A quick tip: keep your fork up to date by regularly pulling changes from the source repository's default branch. That way, when you propose changes back, your pull requests are smaller, cleaner, and easier to review. And that's it. You've successfully forked a repository in Bitbucket and are ready